What's up, everybody? As you can see, I got my uncle's beautiful 2018 M550 here. And if you don't know, this is equipped with a 4.4 liter twin turbo V8. And I don't think my uncle knows what he has. So I just got back from college and, I was getting into cars, starting my own platform in it and everything. And I was like, man, does he know the potential? I could push this up to 700 horses. But a little backstory, when I was in high school, he introduced me to cars, started showing me how to fix them and everything. So I think I'll pay it forward and start fixing up the minor things for him before we get into the mods. That's why if you have any comments or suggestions about what we should do to it or what I should do to it, leave them in the comments. And also include some downpipes, catback exhaust, valve, everything. So yeah, let's check out the car. So like I said, twin turbo, V8, 4.4 liter. As you can see, completely stock. This is a clean car. I took a walk around it, and there are some minor things I could fix up, but for the most part, this is a solid platform we can start on. So I'm looking forward to see what you guys say in the comments about it. But anyways, I have something today. Got my uncle a charger. Right, and for the first mod, I'm gonna be doing a wireless charging pad. This car was opted out for the wireless charging pad, and plus, he has a display key, so without a wireless charging pad, it's not gonna charge the key, right? So this one comes equipped with the key charging and phone charging, also some USB ports for other things. And I noticed while we were driving, he has a big Android, right? So it never fits flushly in there. And he also uses a cord that looks like it's been chewed on. And when that doesn't work, he has a power bank. So we don't have time for all of that. So this is what we're gonna do. Grab this, slide it in here, press down firmly, let it light up, and bam, it charges. And also, you can still close it. So I think that's good for the first mod. Hopefully it'll improve his quality of life when he's driving. So just trying to pay it forward, He looked out for me when I was driving that old 2006 Mountaineer. So I have a bunch of other things that I noticed, but that's gonna be for another video. Appreciate it. Wait. What? Nice. Uncle approves. Alright, stay tuned for the next video. We got a special mod for you. Like, comment, and subscribe, and leave your ideas down below. We'll catch you in the next one.